Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel. My name is Miro and I am stock photographer and videographer, and today I would like to talk about the best agency for 2026. If you are a photographer looking to turn your passion into profit in 2026, today I am counting down the top best websites to sell your photo online. Let's go and start with this. I will talk mostly about the photo and video uploading because this is what I am doing the most. I will start with number one. Number one is Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock integrated directly with Photoshop and Lightroom. It is a dream for all creatives. With millions of buyers worldwide, your photos and videos can reach a massive audience. Plus, contributors earn competitively royalties and benefit from Adobe's seamless ecosystem. My best performing agency in 2025, and I believe will be same in 2026, is Adobe. Adobe is also accepting artificial images, generated images and footages. If you know what they are looking for, you will be absolutely happy. It's really a great place for any creators. Number two, it's Shutterstock. Shutterstock, it's not really what is before, but it's still great agency. Coming in at the numbers two, the powerhouse Shutterstock. With one of the largest stock libraries in the world, it is a go-to platforms for business and creators. Contributors enjoy global exposure and steady sales thanks to Shutterstock's massive customer base. You can upload photos, videos, illustration or music. Definitely good place, and don't be scared from low payment sometimes because it's coming and the end month always pretty good. At number three, iStock by Getty Images. This is platform, it's all about prestige. Getty's reputations means your photos are really marketed to high-end clients, and if you are aiming for premium buyers, iStock is the place to be. Great for the photos and video footage. They do not accept editorial video, but editorial images is fine if you are following the rules. Number four, it's Alamy. Alamy, known for its diverse collection and generous contributors commissions. Alamy is perfect for photographers who want flexibility and fair payout. It is a trusted marketplace with a loyal customers base. They do not accept footages, but accept editorial or commercial photography. Not really huge with sales, but income can be very fair. Not the best performer, but I really love it work with Alamy. Some video it's distributed to Alamy, if I'm correct, from Deposit Photo, but I am not 100% sure at this moment. And number five, it's Motion RI. Known for video templates and creative asset, it is now a rising star for photographers too. If you shoot stock images that complement video projects and video footages, Motion RI is a fantastic marketplace to showcase your work. What is minus, they can reject you like me if your work is not good for them at the moment. If you upload few times something not good and suitable, this is why I cannot really absolutely say this is best place for creators. Good incomes, but not really good for long time partnership, because they have own rules and they don't care how long you work with them together. And minus is also complicated upload system, description and keywording. So there you have it, the top 5 websites to sell photos online in 2026. If you are a hobbyist or professional, this platform can help you showcase your talent and earn money doing what you love. Which one will you start with? Let me know if you are just starting, because every this agency is a little bit different. And also I will recommend other 2 agencies, is Deposit Photo and Dreamstime. Deposit Photo, it's a little bit better for me because it's selling some footages. I am not sure if I sold any footages on Dreamstime. It's a low earner, but in the end of the year it still can make you a few dollars, what can help you with your income. I hope so this video is helpful, and especially for somebody who is starting with this business. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will see you very soon on my other video. If you like my channel, just subscribe or click on the like, this will help me. And if no, just let me know what you don't like. I will try make this, I will try fix this problem, what maybe this will help you. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Have a wonderful day.